Have you ever come home after a long day out and noticed that your wig is sitting on your head now like this? Help! What do? Why did it happen? If a wig is not held in place securely, it starts slipping back. What can you do about it? Get a grip. I'm Chaya G. I'm a wig wearer and a wig expert, and I'm here to present to you Get a Grip Part 3. I've been reviewing wig grips that I've purchased on my own. This is not sponsored. And seeing which ones could work better for my clients, for myself, and I'm here to share the results with you. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the all velvet wig grip. I have two different types that I'm going to show you and go through with you. But before I try them on, just remind you that I keep my hair covered for religious reasons. So I'm going to be slipping on a wig net and I'll be right back. Never in a million years did I think I'd be standing before a camera with something like this on my head. But people really actually like this wig net, which I've linked in the description below, because it really keeps all your hair in place so that when you're going to put on your wig, you don't have all the flyaways going on. So you could try it out too. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And now's a good time to remind you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Get me to 100 subscribers. Today I have two different wig grips that I'm going to show you. Now they're both made of this all velvet material, but one has a transparent piece in the middle that you'll see, and the other one is solid velvet all the way around. So here we have a wig grip that has a transparent piece in the middle, and this is for people who have that lace front or lace top that you're gonna see through it. You wanna have this material underneath in the area that is transparent on the wig. Now, as I'm gonna try it on, you'll see that the closure for this velvet headband, which I've linked in the description below, is with Velcro. And I love this idea. I love the fact that the Velcro strip on the other side is very, very long, so that way it could be adjustable to many different size heads. And that's important because some of these velvet headbands do go based on size, and if you don't know your size, then it could be too big and slip off and defeat the purpose. So having this long strip of velvet makes it more versatile. So let's get it on. So here I'm going to put the velvet on my head and close it. Now you want to wear it at your hairline. You don't want it to be too low down. You don't want it to be too far back. Now, here is a huge pro tip. Listen up. I'm going to come a little closer to the camera for this. The trick with the velvet headband is to make sure that you do the finger test. Velvet has a rough side and a smooth side. So what you're going to do is take your finger and push it against the hairline, from the hairline going towards the back, and you should be feeling it against the grain. This way should be smooth, this way should be rough. If you don't have the rough side facing from the hairline going towards the back, then the velvet is not working to grip your wig. The opposite, it's going to have your wig slide back more because you have a very silky, soft material underneath. So make sure from the hairline going to the back, you're feeling that roughness and your grip will work. Did you know this? Did you know that there's a right way to wear the velvet headband? Leave me a comment. Let me know if this is mind-blowing or if you knew it all along. Now, the velvet material is nice and soft against the head, which I love. Love the fact that the material is breathable as well. It's not plasticky. It's a nice soft fabric. Now let's get to the real test of does it work? And I'm gonna slip my wig on. As usual, putting my wig on here without a mirror. So let's just hope that it will look normal for all of you. Okay, wig is on. Now let's see if it works. Pulling it back, the wig ain't going nowhere. Side to side, also staying in place. You know what time it is? We gotta rate this velvet band with my heart system. How much love is it gonna get? So out of 4 hearts, for the breathability of this band, I do love it. I feel like it's soft, I feel like it's breathable, it's not plasticky, so I'm gonna give it 4 hearts. What about the adjustability? Adjustability on point. We have that long velvet material that could really accommodate many different head sizes. So very versatile. I'm going to give it 4 hearts. Usability. I'm going to give this 4 hearts. If worn properly, keyword properly, this velvet headband works wonders of keeping your wig in place. So let me know if you have any other products that you would like me to review wig related. Leave it in the comments. Are you a fan of the velvet headband? Do you have one? Have you tried one? Has it worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. And go ahead and like this video if you learned something new, especially with my pro velvet band tip. Thank you so much for joining me for Get a Grip Part 3. You can go ahead and catch up on 1 and 2 if you haven't seen them already. And looking forward to sharing many more videos and content with you, all wig everything, so you can navigate this wig world like a boss with Chaya G.